Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down, choose System and click on Languages and the input. Then tap on On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. After that, select Theme and now you can scroll down and choose Show More. This way you will see all available keyboards. When you're ready, tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Manage key borders by clicking on this switcher and select Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, and tap on Done. Now manage key borders and select Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized within a match. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!